And that's what she and Jesse...
Just want to show what just happened right in front of me. Truck's in the gutter. Let's see if we can help him. He's stuck. Even if I pull you straight back, you're not. Oh no. Even if I pulled you straight back, it wouldn't do nothing.
What's up, buddy?
What up, bud? Oh shit, Walters. What up,
I was
dude?
goosing around and you know, just playing.
Okay.
Hey, you ain't have no fun if you're in the ditch.
Yeah, hell no.
It's not like I've been here a time or two.
Yeah. I actually have a hitch and a little toe strap, but if I can pull you straight back, but this doesn't do much.
Backwards is better because I already packed it down. You know what I'm saying? How you been, brother?
Good, man. I just run around picking people up, doing my little, I do a little ride service thing.
You were doing so good, and then I got back on the pack,
and it's
and it just kept going.
I
got a lot of extra weight now, and I'm trying to learn it.
Probably about 10 years ago, my Volvo, there's a guardrail there now. I hit that curve.
Oh,
there.
at the creek?
Yeah. And I almost went in the creek, but the curve, I locked in, and it spit me around the corner. But I broke the rack and pinion. I hit so hard. But I started sliding probably at that sign, and by the time I hit the curve, I was going 40. The pack is worse.
Well, I should have grabbed my gloves while I was in there.
You think a pull back with this would help or no?
Dude, I don't even think he's got his mom coming with his truck.
Oh, okay.
Which is a
4-wheel drive. Yeah, because you need some weight.
That, dude, I've got so much weight. I don't know if that's gonna work. We're gonna give it a try. We gotta try it though.
Yeah.
We gotta try.
Because I could pull you straight back with because I have a hitch and like a 21 50-pound toe strap, but
well, I got a big old chain. I got like a 20.
Oh, and you got a chain.
10-ton chain.
I tried pulling a few people out, and then a truck came and just did it, but because it's the Prius, but.
I don't think this Chevy's gonna do any good here.
Yeah, he just fell. Nobody saw that but the camera.
Hey, Sean. Hey.
Yeah, this is my longtime friend, Sean.
You know how it is. Thank you so much, though.
I think if I could fucking anchor the axle up,
Well, I already got a hook for it, so it's there in the book. Usually it's for pulling other people out.
Exactly.
What? Good job.
I done did stupid.
Yeah, 450 crew.
I went dumb, man.
Yeah, 450 crew, here it comes.
Hey, well, I gotta pick somebody up, so
Hey, get going.
later.
Do what you gotta do.
Hey, tell your dad I said I'll come by in the next week or two. I've been meaning to come by. All right, bud. You'll be out. You'll have it out with a 4x. Gotta be optimistic, but that doesn't look like he's getting out with a 4x. He was just having fun. That's like if I had a 4-wheel drive, I'd be out ripping and roaring. But I guess he had it locked until he hit the street. I wrecked up my Volvo 15 years ago right here too, so I'm gonna go back by just to show. You know, and nope, he's not even worried. They're both okay. I don't know if you saw him crawl out or not. I should have backed up, but this is you know what not to do when you're playing around. Well, unless you're having fun. Johnny's a hustler. He'll have that out in a half hour, digging it with a shovel. He's usually the one pulling people out for free. He's a good guy. Sean Walters. Good man. Local Big Bear. Probably one of the first people I met up here when I was 13, 14 years old. Probably one of the baddest snowboarders I'll ever see besides my roommate. Rode for Volcom, Nixon. He was bad. Now he does desert racing. Builds it himself. I rode one. Don't even get in. He'll do 100-foot doubles like on snowboard, but in his truck. I'll never get in a truck with him again. That's why he thinks it's funny that he's in that the bank right there. That's nothing. He does that every weekend. I'll come back around in about an hour and check on him, make sure. Maybe the double pull will help. I love that he was backing up and thinking he was gonna drive out of there. When he first pulled up, that was awesome. I got a few voicemails. I'll check them when I get home. El Gatos need some food. Once I feed my cats, it's only 9:30. I do work till 2:30, so at least until the driver comes in. But once I get the Mercedes, I don't think I'm going to trust anybody but myself. But he can drive Priya, I'll drive the Benz. And he can take 80%, I'll just take 20%. I don't want to be like Uber, that'd be hypocritical. Even someone undisclosed, I won't say it, takes 60% and you get 40. But when it's someone else's car, I understand. But when you see the money coming in, it's hard, to see so easy to do it legally yourself. Taxi businesses, the taxi company business is over. You could be a DBA, you could be a DBA, you could be an LLC, you could do anything you want. Basically, you don't have to get a taxi license anymore. Actually, it's actually, you'd rather get less liability with an LLC, and you could just fold and start another one if you have to. That way, you don't lose anything if you own anything. I'm broke I'm as broke as it gets, but not really, but on paper. But my trust, I'll inherit, which is not mine yet. I'm still technically broke. My mom's rich, so that's why you create an LLC. Limit yourself the liability of ever losing everything you own. Get your insurance, be legit, but don't lose everything because some kid you hired got hit by somebody else. Alright, I'm home to my hoopty. I gotta fix that broken window. I backed into it. BigBearRideService.com, checking out. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and the Big Bear Ride Service on YouTube. Subscribe, please. I'm gonna post this because it's awesome seeing my buddy Sean stuck in the bank at 9:38 p.m. That's what he loves to do for fun. Big Bear Ride Service out.